They had exactly 72 hours to find the Jade Parrot before the red moon locked it away forever. And they were already out of time. But let's back up. It all started 3 days ago. A secret box, a 100-year-old mystery, and only 3 days to solve it. Can you help the Whitmore family find the Jade Parrot before it's lost forever?
Mom! Dad! Come quick to the library!
You won't believe what Jake found behind the old bookshelf!
What is it, kids? You both look like you've seen a ghost.
It's a secret wooden box with a glowing golden lock!
Wait a minute. That lock has my grandfather's initials engraved on it.
Oh, look! The key is hidden right here inside this old picture frame.
Wow, it's his lost journal. And let's see, a map of the Amazon rainforest?
Look at the drawing in the back. Is that a green bird with glowing eyes?
It's the Jade Parrot. Whew, he spent his whole life searching for it.
Can we go to find it, Dad? Please, can we finish his journey?
Uh-oh, we only have 3 days until the red moon. If we want to solve this mystery, we need to hurry and leave immediately.
My grandfather would be so proud if we solve this. Let's pack up and go to South America.
But Dad, how long will it take us just to reach the actual Amazon forest?
Let me check the travel routes online. Okay, let's see.
Between the long commercial flight and the off-road driving, it will take at least 24 hours of non-stop travel.
Oh man, that means we will lose a whole day just getting there.
I will quickly find a flight to South America. You all go ahead and pack the right gear, as the forest will be super rainy and muddy.
Everyone, double-check your gear before we head to the airport. No forgotten toothbrushes this time. What do they need for a jungle trek? A laptop, blankets, and hot cocoa. B, a compass, a flashlight, and sturdy boots. C, a surfboard, swimsuit, and sunglasses. The correct answer is B, a compass, a flashlight, and sturdy boots.
The compass, flashlight, and boots! Perfect!
Phew! We are packed and ready to go! Look! I can see the South American coastline way down below us!
We finally landed! Now we just need to get our expedition vehicle!
All right, team. Everyone get inside and buckle up. The map shows the hidden trail is deep inside the jungle interior.
These roads are getting rougher and rougher.
It is incredibly hot and humid out here, kids. I can feel my hair frizzing already.
Look at all the thick, giant trees surrounding the road!
Hold on tight, everyone. The road ends right up ahead.
Whoa! My boot is already completely stuck in the mud!
Wow! It is so loud here! Are those monkeys screaming in the trees?
Haha, yes, those are howler monkeys. Use your walking sticks, everyone, so we don't fall.
Okay, let's look at the map. The entrance is supposed to be behind the twin palms.
I see 2 palm trees over there that look exactly the same!
But wait, there is a massive stone monument blocking the way between them.
Wait a minute! That rock has giant eyes and a mouth!
Who dares wake the ancient forest?
Dad, the giant statue is talking to us!
To pass the twin palms, you must answer my riddle. I am white when I am dirty, and black when I am clean. What am I?
Black when clean? Think hard about school, kids. I am white when I am dirty, and black when I am clean. What am I? A fast car. B, a chalkboard. C, a black cat. The answer is B, a chalkboard.
Oh, I know! It's a chalkboard!
Correct. You may pass into the valley.
The hidden path is open. Let's move before it closes.
Look at all the beautiful, colorful butterflies floating around.
Watch your step and stay on the trail, Jake. This mud is dangerous.
Now, the map says, go 100 steps north from the Guardian.
Which way is north? Everything looks exactly the same out here.
Don't panic, Jake. We can just use the compass.
Where is north on a standard compass? A, at the top. B, at the bottom. C, to the right. The correct answer is A, at the top.
North is straight ahead toward that big, misty mountain.
Great job with the compass, but hurry, the sun is setting and the red moon will be here soon.
The jungle is getting thicker. Oh no, a giant mosquito.
Quick, spray the bug spray.
Thanks, Jake. Look ahead. The Amazon River is right in front of us.
Wow, it's incredibly wide here. And look, there's an old wooden bridge.
Uh-oh, the warning signs on the bridge are completely broken into pieces.
We need to put the directions in the correct order to cross safely.
Let's see. The broken pieces say right, then left, go, turn.
Put the words in the correct order. A, right, left, then turn go. B, go left, then turn right. C, turn, go, then left, right. The correct answer is B, go left, then turn right.
Got it. Go left, then turn right. That makes perfect sense.
Okay, it works. Phew, the wooden planks are strong.
Look down there. Pink dolphins swimming in the river water.
The Amazon is so full of life. Let's take a quick breath of this fresh jungle air before we find that cave.
That feels better. Now, let's keep moving.
According to the grandfather's map, the Waterfall cave is next.
I can hear the rushing water already. It's getting really loud.
I see it, but the cave entrance is completely hidden behind the falling water.
How do we get inside without slipping and falling into the rapids?
There are stepping stones leading through, but some of them look fake.
Wait, the journal note says step only on the even numbers to survive.
Which number is an even number? A, stone number 3. B, stone number 4. C, stone number 7. The correct answer is B, stone number 4.
Number 4 is the even number. Follow me.
Great work, Jake. Careful now.
Whew, we made it inside the cave. It's wonderfully cool in here.
Look at the glowing green moss growing on the cavern walls.
Wow, it looks like a glowing runway leading deeper into the dark.
It leads straight to another giant stone door.
Remember the clock, kids. The time is ticking and the red moon is almost here.
To enter the heart of the temple, tell me, what has hands but cannot clap?
What has hands but cannot clap? A leather glove. B, a clock. C, a tall tree. The correct answer is B, a clock.
Haha, it's a clock. A clock has hands.
Correct. Enter, children of the great explorer.
Look at this magnificent room. Everything is glittering green.
Whoa, those are real emeralds embedded directly into the walls.
Forget the walls. Look at the stone pedestal in the center.
It's the Jade Parrot. It's even more breathtaking than the drawings.
Finally, my grandfather's lifelong dream is real.
Wait, Mark, stop! There is a final sentence puzzle carved into the base.
It says, the is key kindness. We have to fix the sentence to unlock the artifact.
Put the words in the correct grammatical order. A, key is the kindness. B, kindness is the key. C, the kindness key is. The correct answer is B, kindness is the key.
Kindness is the key. Say it out loud.
We actually did it!
Wow, it's so heavy, and the jade feels freezing cold.
Look, the red moon must be up outside. The parrot's eyes are glowing bright red.
Oh no! The temple is shaking! It's a trap! We have to get out now!
Back through the waterfall cave! Hurry!
I've got the journal and the map. Don't leave them behind.
Follow the glowing green moss! Don't lose the path!
There's the cave exit! I see the light!
There's our vehicle, parked at the edge of the trees. Jump inside.
Look back! The stone monument is sealing the cave entrance shut!
The jungle has completely locked away the temple again.
Phew, we made it out just in time.
Look, the red moon is fully shining in the sky above us now.
We solved the mystery with only minutes to spare.
Grandfather's legacy is safe, and we have the legendary Jade Parrot.
We need to get this artifact safely to the city museum.
Our adventure is complete, but I am already looking forward to the next map.
Let's head back to the airport and get some rest first, young explorer.
Team Whitmore, another mission complete.
Amazing work solving the mystery. Tell us your score in the comments, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Bye for now.